Hi everyone. So this video we're going to be talking about place value. And if you remember in my classroom, which we used all the time, was our place value blocks. We had these small little cubes that were our ones place. Okay, so 1 cube is equal to 1. We had our base 10 blocks, okay, which were represented 10 of the cubes. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it was 10 of the single cubes stuck together, and it made that long, skinny base 10 block, and that was our tens, okay? And then we had those square looking blocks, and that was if you put 10 tens together, it equaled 100. So, to explain that a little better, let's do a little practice. So, here we just have 1, but if I kept adding, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I have 10 in the ones place. But what I can do is turn that into this. So instead of having to count 1, 2, 3, 4, I can just go 10. Okay, now let's say I have more than 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of having to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, if I have 10 of those, that's the same as saying I have 100. So I posted another video under this category, and it does a really good job of explaining that each place value has a rule, and the rule is it can only have one digit. So for in the ones place, I can't write 10 because there's 2 digits here. There's a 1 and a 0. But there's only allowed to be 1 digit in each. So that's why we have place value. So we put the 0 here and the 1 there to represent 10. Okay, so let's do a little more practice with that by talking about something called expanded form. Okay, so if we have expanded form, let me erase this. Hundreds, tens, ones. So if I told you, if I gave you this number, 362, okay, and I wanted to know what that was in expanded form, we would use place value. The 2 is in the ones place. The 6 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the hundreds place, okay? And if I wanted to represent that with the base 10 blocks, the 2 would look like this, the 6 would look like this. Just imagine these are, the base 10 blocks. And then the 3 would look like having 3 of the hundreds blocks, okay? So, let's see. Now, another way of looking at this number is you could show the 3 is in the hundreds place, so this is equal to 300, plus the 6 is in the tens place, so this is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then the 2 is in the ones place, so that's just equal to 2. So 362 is the same as saying 300 plus 60 plus 2, okay? Now let's say we had the number, 573. And I asked you to tell me which number in 573 is in the tens place. which number is in the tens place? The 5, the 7, or the 3? Are you thinking 7? Because you're right. The 7 is in the tens place. It would go 5, 7, 3. Okay? And let's try another one. Let's see. If I asked you which number is in the hundreds place, which number would you tell me? Is it the 8? No. The 7? No. The 6. The 6 is in the hundreds place. Okay, and the value of this number is 600. So I don't want to make this video too long. I'm gonna leave this as is. I want you to watch the other YouTube video I posted, this video, and then take the quiz. Okay, I'll check how you guys did on the quiz, and then I'll post another video so we can get some more practice. I hope everybody's doing good, and I look forward to seeing your work. Bye.